Hey guys, welcome back to my channel MiTutorials. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to convert a whole number into a date format. For example, in this data set that I have over here, dates are saved as number instead of the actual date format. And by having this, we will have difficulty in reading that as a date. Power BI will not recognize that as a date, but instead Power BI has recognized this as a whole number, as you can see in the data type option that is available over here. But this reads in year, month and date format, which Power BI does not really understand. So this is what I'm going to teach you today. So let's get started with this tutorial. Now, when you see over here, basically you might think that I will just go to data type and change the data type here to date, but Power BI throws an error. It says that we cannot convert the column to date type over here. So as you know, most of the magic happens in the Power Query. So let's head to Power Query Editor. So once you are here in the Power Query Editor, let's head to the Transform tab, select the date column over here, and under data type, let's change the data type to text. So when you change the data type to text, you might get a warning something like this, or if you don't get, it's okay. So I'm going to say replace current. So once that is done, so what has now happened is that Power BI has changed the data type from whole number into a text format, right? So it becomes easier for us to change the text values to a date format. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back again to the data type and now select date over here. So once you get this particular option over here, what you need to do is click on add new step. You should not click on replace current, but click on add new step. So when you do that, you will see that automatically all of the dates have now been converted into a date format. So as you can see over here, this now reads as September 1st, 2022, and this over here reads 2nd of October 2022. So now that it has changed the values from text to date format, I'm going to go back over here, click on close and apply. And now all of that particular changes have been applied into our date format over here. So what we now need to do is head to the data type over here and change this to date. And now it will happily accept the change that we have made over here. And you can change the date format to whatever that you want. I like this particular format over here, which is very easy to understand. It clearly says that it is 1st September 2022, and likewise over here it says 2nd October 2022. So this is how you can change the whole number into a date format within Power BI. I hope you like this tutorial today. You learned something new today. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.